I just want to know why. Why, if you're watching this and you took a lighter to my home.
Sige, mamuntag mga besh mga bay. Today we have a special guest here at Double J, the woman that named me Bisayang Hilaw way back in 2017. Her name is Adelaida. She used to be the woman of my life before Mom Joey walked into it. And we're gonna introduce her to you guys right now.
Introduce her to me.
Oh yeah, and Mom Joey.
I met her.
She's not met her. Nanay! Kamusta? Grabe!
Gwapo na.
Dugay na, wala ta nakita.
Dugay na.
Kumusta na Maria akong oyab na si Joey.
Joy.
Si Ma'am Joey.
Ma'am Joey.
Imong anak, no?
Oo, siya.
Kumusta? Remember me?
Yes.
Si Zoe. Grabe, Nay.
Grabe di sa mo naglaag.
Grabe, duga na, wala ka sa akong kinabuhi.
Wala ka sa kong ginabuhi.
Grabe, namingami sa'yo mo. Sige, mo ni si Nanay Adelaida, no? So, she's the one that named me Bisayang Hilaw. Kabalo ka, anak, Nay. Na ikaw nagkatagog angga sa ako, Bisayang Hilaw.
Bisayang Hilaw.
Kabalo ka? Grabe. So, humana kami dito sa Double J Hotel. Kauban na namo si Brian Ahern sa Ahern Family. So, bye. Unsay plano nato karong adlaw?
Buhat ang balay.
Yon, maghimo kami shelter tapat sa dagat. So, Filipino shelter ba? Primitive. So, karon na kami diri sa merkado.
Ni pahat.
Mo palit mi og, what's it called?
Sundang, bolo,
Sundang,
ana.
machete. Para maka...
Murag, lapo-lapo.
Kuhan kami sa kawayan. Maghimo og balay ba? Para makatulog siya dito. Alright, so we're gonna buy a machete.
Yes, here we go.
Then we're gonna get to work.
Be very careful though.
Kani.
Kani? Ani kanang 400.
Okay. Naa. Hangyo. Since it's Saturday.
350.
350.
300?
850. So, kuan. Okay. Hangyo. Hangyo kamay. Okay. So, 850. Pwede 750. Okay ra? 750 mo.
Sige, humana kami dito sa merkado. Nagpalit mi og sa ka sundang. Saan tawag? Sundang, no? Machete na i-bucket para magkuha mi tubig sa dagat. Nagpalit sila chicken. Filipinos kuha on point.
Kaon ta. Kani ato.
Samtang nanggiti mi og lugar para magtukod og shelter, kuha mi og kawayan, bamboo. So, kauban na magkaroon ng mga anak ni Brian para makatabang sila. Di ba? Yeah. Sige, so pagkamuman sila makaon, magtuko na ta. Nice, good. Where'd you get that?
Everywhere.
She still left from someone's house?
No. Trees.
We'll be shooting stars, and you know I can't wait for forever no more. Now tell me, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready?
Kumusta ka mga gaw? Kuan. We're just getting the rooftop right now for the Nipa hut. Ibuhat kami. Is that how you say it, bro? Ibutan. Buhatan na mo og balay. Like that? Oh, sige. Ana.
We got dahon for days.
Yeah, boy.
Check out the foundation, not bad.
Not
From
bad.
the ladies.
Whoa, ladies on it.
You know what you're doing? Ayaw mo samad, ha? You tying this?
This one was already part of it.
Shout out to Linda Polier for teaching her how to tie knots.
Shout out to my dad
Oh yeah,
for
shout out
teaching me
Garrett.
how to build fences and stuff. See, wasn't so bad that I didn't have friends. I could build a fence.
Me, hunter-gatherer.
Me,
Tarzan.
build stuff.
Sige, so happy na malubat akong battery diri sa camera. So, mobalhin ta sa akong cellphone. Kapro na kamo, na bisan wala camera, okay ra gyapon mag-vlog. Diri lang sa cellphone. Yeah, bruh.
Yeah, buddy. Daghang kahoy. Unsa ni, bro?
Dahon? Murag dahon?
Murag dahon.
Dahon is leaves, so I don't know if that's what you would call it.
Daghang dahon.
Ay, salamat. Niabon ang tubig na mo. Brad, we have tubig.
Oh, how cool, Brad. Let's go.
How you feeling?
Good, so dirty though, but accomplished. I'm just trying to think of the best way to do the next step. You know?
You know, I'm gonna find more ropes.
Yes, Michael's doing a good job with the ropes.
Here he is.
Billy hooked us up with some snacks. Salamat.
Okay.
Finally got some what they had. Since Zoe was able to tie some knots on the first round, we're able to just squeeze them in from this side. Diba, babe?
Diba?
So this side should be a lot quicker. Just kind of throw them in between.
Ako si Bagohoy. Kaon sa.
Sige, ikuha na mo ni Brian ng kwan. Dahon. Mo na yung progression ni Zoe diri sa top.
Daghan dahon, sir. So, humana me, or hapit na humana me o magbuhat ang bahay, balay.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
Claro. Guapo, no? Claro, no? I saw your hugot. Hugot pa more. But Ma'am Zoe is non-stop working. Na trabaho.
Filipino gyud. Kugihan.
Sana all.
Sana all. Nice, bro. Way to close it off. Sige, karon si Michael mulimpyo sa sulod para makahigda kami dire. Okay na? Ayos na?
Ayos.
Diri ka mo balhin, diri ka mo tulog. Mo ni ang mga salingan na mo. Boy! Balik unya!
You said housewarming party?
Yeah. Show us your nanay silig powers. There it is. There it is.
I got blisters on my fingers.
On me fingers.
Blisters on my fingers.
Dang, mate. Just dang heaps of blisters on me.
Good job, Michael.
Thank you, Kuya.
Nice.
Make sure we don't get all the turns to the snacks. That's gonna be crunchy. Almost the dirt in there.
Good job.
Good job, Kuya.
Welcome.
Did you start in the back?
Yeah.
Okay, looks nice. Sige, sa wakas, humana kami. Makimo og balay, og shelter diri sa Kamingaon. So shout out to Ma'am Joey. Siya ang panday sa project na makaron. Kami ni Brian ang mga labor. Pero mo na yung panday gyud, di ba?
Oh, I'm the builder.
All right. So Zoe's gonna give us a quick tour.
Crib tour.
Cribs. Let go.
TV, cribs, whatever. So this is the door.
Okay, this is the door.
Oh,
Na
so
kulang.
you enter
All right,
right
sulod.
here.
Nice. And
Welcome to my crib.
yeah.
Yeah. So it comes with crabs.
Yes.
Crab hole.
Cover the hole.
Oh,
Thank you, Sudan.
Michael is actually going to cover the crab hole so that we don't get bit in our sleep. I've just noticed a pretty big hole here, actually.
But for the most part,
Yeah, it's pretty
looking good.
Yeah, it's looking decent. Oh, yeah, Michael. Nice.
Ain't no crabs sneaking up on us tonight.
Oh, look at this strong framework.
All right, so let's show you the area of our house, the new location.
Give it all up, give it all up for you. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up for you. I would give it all up, give it all up, give it all up. I would. You know that I would.
So this is the fruits of our labor.
Yeah. Welcome to our crib.
So how many hours did this take us, Mom Joy?
4.5.
4.5 hours? Not too shabby.
4.5
Just a little bit shabby.
Yeah. A few battle scars on
Few
the way.
battle scars, Sir Brian,
Blisters.
Mr. Bagahoy.
They say sunog.
Sunog, imong panit. Sakit?
Panit. Oh, sakit kamay. Okay ra.
Swerte ang Pilipino kay kaya mo pungko-pungko ang mga Amerikano dapat lingkod good. Sildi kami. Sige, chicharon pa more.
Kaon.
Tulo 100. Chicharon. Salamat, boy.
Fatty liver.
Salt and vinegar. Paborito ni Joey.
My man.
Ayaw kalimot na one man's trash is another man's treasure. Kaya ang balay namo gikan sa basura nila. Diba?
That's right. We cleaned it up. We made a house with the garbage. Well, they thought it was garbage, but not to us. It's gold.
Yeah. Believe that.
Believe that, bro.
Believe that. Sige, so karon muli na kami sa balay ni Brian. Ibili na mong balay dire. Para sa sunod mo, balik kami dire, mag-jam-jam, tulog gamay. Basin mo.
When we come here, kids will be decorating it.
Yeah, basin, kay Christmas na. Magdala mi Christmas tree sa sulod. Pero siguro mga Aspen dire magtulog. Or bisan kinsa. Kung naka mo dire sa Panglao, pwede ko mo tulog dire kay libre man. Mahalang mga resort dire dapit. So naka mo lahi na choice ba? Yahoo! Alright, after a few days of building our fort hut.
Palace.
Kind of weird. Palace. After a few days of building our palace, we came back here to film a vlog for Joey because it's nice and quiet. So we stopped by and this is the remaining fort. So
My house.
Someone freaking burned it to the smithereens. What the heck?
Why the heck?
Nagisunog ninyo. Naningkamot jud si Zoe sa ani na fort ba?
Very upset.
Yes, Zoe was even shed a few tears earlier. She was legitly sad.
Legit?
She had a blister.
Yeah.
She never gets blisters.
No, I put my blood, sweat, and tears into that. Like literally.
Well, I think
4
it's
hours.
kind of hilarious that it's just like uling.
Modeling.
Yeah, they could have at least used it for something. I wish I was here to at least watch it burn. That would have been cool. Alright, so next time we'll make sure to build our fort somewhere far from humans. Unless there was an Aspian that burned it or
Torches.
something. Alright, any last words to our beloved home?
I just want to know why. Why, if you're watching this and you took a lighter to my home that I built 4 hours, look at this samad. Look at it. Why? You could have taken the bamboo if you wanted. You don't have to burn it. Anyway.
Alright, pero mo na siyang video karon unta na lang nga mo. Basin sa sunod makatukod mi balay, shelter sa kamingawan gyud para wala gyud may tao na mosunog ani. Stay tuned. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Salamat sa pagtanaw og amping mo tanan.
Give it all up for you. I would give it